Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Hailou AI, one of the most viral AI video generators out right now. If you've been seeing those cool, cinematic short videos online, this is probably the app behind them. First, head over to hailouai.video in your browser. Click Sign In to create an account using your email. Once you're in, you'll see a homepage full of trending video styles. Things like anime, cinematic, Pixar style, and more. Click on Generate Video. You can choose image to video or text to video, then just type what you want to see. For example, a female cyberpunk samurai walking through neon-lit Tokyo streets. You can also pick a video model, resolution, and duration. Then after that, click this purple button. Then wait about 10 to 30 seconds. The AI will process your input and turn it into a short, stylized video, usually around 5 to 6 seconds long. You can now preview your video. If you like it, hit download. If you want to access limited features, click free trial in the upper right side. Then choose Max, Standard, Pro, Master, and Ultra. So that's how to use Hailou AI. From prompt to finished video. It's fast, fun, and super addictive once you start playing around with different styles. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.